guys, so I've always wanted to modify these little legal California firecrackers. I feel like this year is a lot better. This is a new setup that they have. It's basically, yeah, so if you open it, it's just one big star, and it just crackles apart, and it's really big. I feel like it's a lot better than the years past. Okay. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack open one of these mortars and infuse them into these firecrackers, make them a lot better, louder. Let's see if it works. So we're gonna start by dissecting this mortar piece. This is the base. Obviously it's gonna contain black powder. Inside of here is nothing but stars. Pull the black powder out.
Are you on?
Alright guys, so now we're just gonna start by putting this back in here. And just loading it up with more of these little stars. Alright guys, so just compress that like that. And let's see if this fits. I don't even know if it's gonna fit in here. Just barely. There we go. And now we get our pleasure tape. There we have it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some black powder to one of them just to see if it does make a difference. I know this is flash powder, so I think flash powder is more powerful than black powder. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, now I'm gonna add some of this. Alright guys, so we'll start off with the regular firecracker. Alright, now we're gonna do the modified one. See if it's any better, hopefully.
No, get over here.
Yeah, that's a lot better. Alright guys, now we have the black powder one. What do you think it's gonna do? Write down a comment below. Let me know. Alright guys, so black powder infused. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is how to make a traditional California firecracker, louder, better, and just amazing.